This film supplements the instructions for use and serves to aid understanding. This film is not a substitute for reading and understanding the instructions for use. It is also not a replacement for mandatory instructions or training courses. The UCF FireCore is a comprehensive system that consists of two main components. The UCF FireCore, a hands-free thermal imaging camera that you can mount on the helmet. A special adapter is required for each type of helmet. The FPS in-mask display. It shows you live thermal video and can be integrated into the FPS 7000 mask. Here you will need the IMD Quick Adapter FPS. Both UCF FireCore and FPS IMD can be charged using a charging cradle. It is preferable to mount the UCF FireCore on the right side of the helmet, seen here from the wearer's view. To install the smart adapter on the HPS 7000, remove the helmet's blind plug and insert the helmet adapter so that the indicated arrow on the adapter align way faces downwards. Do this whether you install it on the left or on the right side. Once fitted, tighten with the screw. It is preferable that you mount the UCF FireCore on the right side of the helmet, seen here from the wearer's view. To install the adapter to the HPS safeguard, first remove the HPS safeguard's function plate. And insert the smart adapter in place of its blind plug. Note that in the HPS safeguards case, the smart adapter's arrow must face the front of the helmet. Then install the function plate with the smart adapter back on the HPS safeguard. It is preferable that you mount the UCF FireCore on the right side of the helmet, seen here from the wearer's view. If you use a helmet with a universal lamp holder, install the universal lamp holder as described in the assembly instructions, if necessary. Then simply insert the corresponding adapter instead of the lamp. To install the quick adapter into the FPS 7000, simply insert it up to the visor and press gently downwards until you hear a distinct click. The adapter should be evenly aligned with the mask's body. After installation, the adapter can stay permanently in the mask. To insert the in-mask display, simply put it inside the mask over the quick adapter and let the magnets do the rest. The eyepiece can be adjusted horizontally for optimal view on the display. To begin, first switch the FPS IMD on by pressing the blue button. In addition to the LEDs, you will have visible feedback on the display itself. To switch on the UCF FireCore, simply press the blue power button for approximately 1 second. After releasing the button, you will see LEDs lighting up. Once the LEDs stop blinking, the camera will be operational. When you want to pair the two devices, just hold the top part of the UCF FireCore close to the RFID icon of the FPS IMD. After the pairing is done, the FPS IMD will display the FireCore's thermal video. To attach the UCF FireCore onto the helmet, simply press the two blue buttons for the camera's connector to unlock. Now you can insert it into the adapter. If you wish to change the angle of the camera's view, you can temporarily unlock the connection by pressing these two buttons. This will enable you to tilt the camera appropriately. If you want to remove the camera from the helmet, simply press the blue buttons and the camera can easily be removed, for example to search areas which would otherwise be hard to access. The UCF FireCore has internal video recording capability to automatically record everything the camera sees while connected to an in-mask display. By pressing the Mode button on the outside, a still image can be recorded as well. All the data can be retrieved via the FireCore's USB interface. To clean the UCF FireCore, wipe the thermal imaging camera with a damp, lint-free cloth. If necessary, clean with warm, soapy water. Please remember that although the germanium window is protected by an anti-scratch coating, take care when cleaning this optical surface. To clean the FPS IMD, wipe it with a damp, lint-free cloth or an approved cleaning and disinfection cloth. Afterwards, dry it off with a soft, lint-free cloth and leave it to dry completely. The FPS quick adapter can remain in the full face mask and be washed together as normal. To charge both the UCF FireCore and the FPS IMD, simply place them on the charging cradles. The charging cradles can be placed either in the workshop or installed in a fire truck. Up to 5 cradles can be daisy-chained together so that they share the same power source. When you want them to share the same power source, simply remove the cover on the cradle side and replace it with the daisy chain connector, which can then be inserted into the appropriate slots of another cradle. Lock the connections by turning the mechanism a quarter turn, and for increased stability, insert the bracket at the other end. The power flowing through the first cradle of the chain will be routed through to the other cradles as well.